Here's how to delete user accounts in your Mac. So if you want to delete people that no longer use a Mac, or you just want to free up some space, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe down below. So first, we're going to go to our system settings. Once you open this up, we're going to go to users and groups. Click on that, and then we're going to want to click on the lock to make changes. Enter your password, and then it will be unlocked to make changes. To delete a user, just click on it and then press on the minus button on the bottom. Then it will prompt you to delete the user account. It will say, do you want to delete it? And then you can choose don't change the home folder, delete the home folder, or save the home folder in a disk. This will delete everything associated with that user account. Then you press delete user and you're all good to go. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.